So lie down, put your stick, put a crystal, put something on your body where you feel guided or near you. And take a deep breath in. And breathe out long. Take another deep breath in, breathing in deeply, and breathing out nice and long. Vibration interact with the base of your spine, right at your first chakra. Visualize a beautiful earth red light and allow your root chakra and the vibration from the bowls to interact. And send energetic cords of light down to the earth. The root chakra is asking to be reprogrammed so that the old fears are dissolved from wherever they come. From anything that occurred in this lifetime, from your childhood, something you inherited from your parents or your grandparents. your ability to birth new ideas, to birth new life. The awakening of the divine feminine, the awakening of the dance between the divine feminine and the sacred masculine, this dance of creation that lives within you, and allowing whatever dense energy from built up unprocessed emotions to be cleared and cleansed and sent to the light as we give thanks. We give thanks for seeing and feeling the dense energy so that we can know that it doesn't hold us or define us anymore. And we can invoke the prayer of the Hawaiian ancestors, Ho'oponopono, I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you, to whatever memory or data is within me that I no longer need, that no longer serves me or my fellow life journeyers. I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. Visualize a beautiful orange light in your belly, lower abdomen. Allow the sound to harmoniously entrain your luminous body. Courage to be in the dark. Courage to be your creative essence expressing in the world. Courage to birth something new. Courage to be in the dance. Of your personal power and where you digest food and digest life. Digest the life's happenings now. cleared and sent to the light, to whatever memory or data is within you, within me, that we no longer need. We give thanks. I'm sorry, please forgive me. Thank you, I love you. And ask for it to be sent to the light and returned as a quantum of wisdom. awareness to your throat and visualizing a beautiful blue light in your throat as you allow that energy in your heart chakra to settle. Bring your energy into and your awareness to your throat. Visualize a beautiful blue light in your throat, and let anything at all that no longer serves you, throat chakra, where you speak, where you speak, where you speak, throat chakra, where you speak, where you hear, where you hear psychically. Allow your throat to relax. Place of psychic seeing, a big activation coming through with the Pisces full moon. You might want to sleep with a crystal on your third eye tonight. Dream with a crystal near you. head. Visualize a beautiful diamond white light there. Harmonious flow with your creative spirit, to birth new ideas, to digest all that is occurring in life. To open your heart to the highest possible love, to receive and act from that great love and compassion in your heart. For your throat to be speaking and singing your sacred song. For your ears to be hearing the angels' whispers. For your eyes to be seeing what is possible. Envisioning a new world. And for your crown chakra to be receiving from the quantum field support, guidance, inspiration. Take a deep breath in. Feeling your breath, your sacred breath, the air, your sacred air. And wiggle some things, your fingers, your toes. Feel your body. Put your hands on your body. Put your hands on your heart. Activating the love within you and the knowing within you. Your sacred code of your soul, your connection with the earth, with your heart. Give thanks. Give thanks for being here. Give thanks to yourself for your walk, your special walk. You are a gift, and your gifts are being called forth in a bigger way. Your gifts are being called forth.